Clothes. Clothes? Clothes? Ugh. This word is tricky because of the consonant cluster that happens at the end. We have the th sound followed by a z, clothes. And that is a hard combination. The good news is this sound combination is also tricky for native speakers. Therefore, many native speakers don't pronounce the th sound. So instead of saying, put away the clothes, they'll just say, put away the clothes. This pronunciation sounds identical to the verb to close. Close the door, put on your clothes. So you can pronounce it with the clothes, like this.
Not very fancy clothes.
Which was usually new clothes.
Or if that stresses you out and makes your tongue feel ugh, then you can pronounce it clothes, like this.
Maybe like take off all your clothes, look in the mirror.
The price tags on your clothes seem like a steal.
Over there, put your clothes on.
Make sure your clothes are appropriate.
I hope this was helpful. Good luck out there, and don't forget to put on your clothes.